Professor, thank you so much for joining us today for the Regional Emergency Operating Center workshop. One of the concepts that you talked about, which I found very inspiring, was the disaster imagination.
Yes.
Can you share a little bit more about this topic?
This imagination is that considering your target region's characteristics, that is composed of natural environmental characteristics and also social environmental characteristics and time-related factors. Considering these characteristics and when the hazard attack, since the time of the occurrence of the hazard, as time goes, what really happened around you or in the affected area. This is I call disaster imagination. Without this imagination, it is quite difficult or impossible, because we human beings, it is impossible for us to respond well or to prepare well for an unimaginable situation.
What do you think are the most critical things that countries should think about when they develop either their EOC or their capacity to prepare and respond to emergencies?
First, they should recognize the real capacity of the organization, and also they should understand the potential risk of the area. Comparing these two, they should discuss the proper solution.
And although the topic of this workshop is EOC, you mentioned in your lecture that EOC is not the only solution. Can you share more a bit about this?
So EOC is quite important, yes, but that is just a part of the total disaster management system. The seamless continuation and coordination in between risk management and crisis management is important.
Okay, Professor, thank you so much again for joining us today and for your very inspiring, interesting lecture. I know that many participants now will have new ideas to think about. So thank you again.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much.